The Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, led by its Special Commissioner of Finance, Shivanand H. Kalakeri, BBMP Chief Commissioner, Tushar Girinath, and Additional Chief Secretary, Urban Development Department, Rakesh Singh, presented a budget of 12,369.46 crore rupees aimed at fostering Bengaluru's development and financial stability. Bengaluru's civic body, the BBMP, has announced a surplus budget of 2.17 crore rupees for brand Bengaluru. This budget surpasses the previous fiscal year by 484 crore rupees. Aligned with the state's budget, the BBMP's plans include constructing tunnel roads with a dedicated budget of 200 crore rupees. This comprises projects like an alternate road to the Kempegowda International Airport and improving roads in the Raja Kaluve buffer zone. The BBMP is joining hands with Namma Metro and K-Ride to build an integrated metro and road flyover at a cost of 100 crore rupees. Additionally, the focus on the environment is evident with plans to acquire land to make Bengaluru greener. An allocation of 100 crore rupees has been made for this purpose. Rupees 35 crore each of funds are allocated for parks and lake development, open wells rejuvenation, and groundwater level enhancement. To meet citizens' daily needs, the BBMP has announced the establishment of 50 Indira canteens across the city and investing in education with funds for new schools and renovations with an allocation of 173 crore rupees. Health system upgrades, including new burial grounds and crematoriums, are also planned along with facilities for animal care. The BBMP will also set up night shelters for transgender individuals, renovating existing shelters, and establishing a daycare center for specially abled children supported by a grant of 1 crore rupees. Furthermore, 50 crore rupees of funds have been allocated for strengthening IT staff.